Good morning, dear children, and welcome to mathematics class, dear children. Dear children, if you remember, in today's class, we have studied about the place value, and we have studied how the single digit number are placed on one's place and how the double digit number means the numbers which starts from 10 to 20 are appearing on tens place when they form the group of 10, and the numbers which are single digit, that numbers will appear on ones place because they are standalone numbers. They doesn't have anybody to stand, so they comes on ones place, children. And when the number forms a group of 10, so that number will appear on tens place, children. Now today we are going to solve the worksheet which is based on the building numbers and place value, children. Place value I have told you today, children, and building numbers means nothing but same, and we have to write the number names also. Number names means the spellings of the numbers which is there from 1 to 20, children. Now this is a worksheet, children. You have to write your section here, children. Section B. Here you have to write your name. Suppose I am writing my name, children. And after that we have to start solve the worksheet, children. So the first question of the worksheet is, it is given, children. Build the following numbers and write it in the boxes. Means you have to count the square blocks, children. And after counting the square blocks, you have to write the number, which number will appear in this square, empty square box. So shall we start counting, children? We'll start the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what it will come here? 15. Now next, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So you will write here 17. Third, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So here you will write 19. Afterwards, next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we'll write here 20, children. Then down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here you will write, children, 13 number. Now question number 2, children. What it is there in question number 2? Write the place value. Means where we have to place the number, and number names for the given numbers. Means here the number is given to you, children. You have to write the place value of this number, and you have to write the spelling of this number here in the next column. Okay. Now 18. For 18, children, where we have to write the 8 number, children? See, for 18, how many blocks will come, children? First we will form the group of 10 blocks, children. So suppose I will form a group of 10 blocks, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is a 10 blocks. Then after 10, how much it will be remaining, children? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this 10 blocks will form one 10 group. Okay, after 10 blocks it will form 110. So where we will write 8 number, children? On ones place, children, because these are single digit number. Okay, so we will write 8 on ones place, and this 10 blocks will become 110, one group of 10. That's why you will write here 1. And what is the spelling of 18, children? EIGHTEEN, 18. Now we will turn the page, children. Next, children, 11. Again we will draw first 10 blocks. We will draw together because it form a group of 110, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And after 10 only one block will be remaining. So one single digit number will appear on ones place, children, and this 10 blocks will form one group of 10. That's why 1 will appear on tens place, children. And what is the spelling of 11, children? ELEVEN. Now next, 14, children. Again we will draw the blocks, children, a group of 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 4 will be separate. So these 4 are the single digit number, so it will come on ones place, children. And this 10 blocks will form one group of 10, so 1 will come on tens place. You will write 14. After that, children, 16. So one group of 10 blocks will be drawn, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 6 will be separate, children. So these are single digit number, children. 6 is a single digit number. The numbers from 1 to 9 are single digit number, children. So 6 will appear on ones place, children, and this 10 group of blocks will appear on, it is a 110 of groups, that's why 1 will appear on tens place. And 16 spelling SIXTEEN. Now for 12, again same thing will be repeated, children. You have to draw 10 blocks. It is for your practice, children. Okay, and 2 will be drawn separately. This 2 is a single digit number, so it will appear on ones place, children. And this 10 blocks will form one group of 10. That's why it will appear on tens place, children. TWELVE. So this is question number 2, which we have completed. Now, children, what we have to do in question number 3, children? Read the question very properly, children, first. That is, which number will be formed by using tens and ones? You have to combine both these numbers, children, and you have to think which number will appear after combining both. 110. 110 means 10 and 3 ones. 10 and 3. 10 and 3, how much it will become, children? 10 plus 3, 13. Okay. Next, 110. 110 means, children, 10. 10 plus 4. 10 and 4 ones. So 110 and 4 ones will appear, children. Suppose I will show you for example 110. 110 means you have to draw 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 4 ones, children. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this will form 110 of group. This 10 plus 4, that is 14, children. So you will write here 14. Afterwards, children, 110 and 7 ones. Again you will draw 10 here blocks, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 7 you will draw separately. This is for your explanation, children. You don't have to draw. If you know the answers, you will write directly in the box. So this 10 blocks plus 7. 10 plus 7 children, 17. Then 110 and 9 months children. 110 will come 10 group of blocks children again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 9 ones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 plus 9 children, 19. Then 1, 10 and 0 1. 0 ones means 0 means nothing children. So you have to write as it is 0. And 1, 10 and 0 means 1, 0. 1, 0 means 10 children. So this is all about today's maths worksheet children, which is based on building numbers and number names. If you have received this worksheet children, you start solving. If you didn't receive, I will share the PDF file of this worksheet so you can start solving in that children. Thank you children. Bye bye.